Can you please say again? Okay. Abraham, I'm going to give you an activity. If you can hear me, like, can I have your video on, please? Good morning.
Battery 30%. Abraham's not.
I'm going to give you two questions. Can you please get your notebook and do them? Get your notebook and please do these two questions. These are the two questions. The first one is that you have to make a food chain and a food web. And the second one is you have to explain why cutting down a forest takes place and how can it be controlled. Okay, why cutting down a forest takes place and how it can be controlled. Please do these two questions right now in your notebook.
Yes.
Okay, Abraham, how is it going? Is the first question done?
Yes, ma'am, on the second question.
You're on the second question. Okay.
ഞാൻ ചോദിച്ചു പറഞ്ഞു അമ്മച്ചി വെറ്റായി വീടാന്ന് പറയും. ഞാൻ കഴുകി വാഷിംഗ് മെഷീൻ ഇടാനെങ്കിൽ നച്ച ആ സെയിം മാറ്റമാണ് ഞങ്ങളുടെ ബാത്റൂം. അങ്ങനെ എനിക്ക് മനസ്സിലാക്കി.
Hello, Joshua. Good morning.
Hi, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Abraham, hope it's done.
No, I'm not done.
How much is left?
I'm still about 3%. I still have some more left.
Okay. Take 2 more minutes to finish it. Okay. And then we will start with math.
Ma'am, can I write it at home, ma'am? And
Yes, you can.
send it to you?
Okay. Yes, you can do that. You can write it at home and send it to me. Okay. Also, are you doing well, Ibrahim? Your throat, I can see, is like choked. Voice is different.
I'm doing it.
You're doing well. Okay. Okay, Joshua, can I have your video on, please? Now, I want to scold you both. Okay. I want to scold you both because I did not receive your maths test paper.
I'm sorry, ma'am.
Sorry, ma'am. Ma'am, can I message you privately about that, ma'am?
I'm sorry. I forgot to message you that I'll be doing it today, ma'am. It's because on Friday, ma'am, I just finished writing my computer paper after preparing for it. And then ma'am, Saturday, I was preparing, ma'am, for my birthday party that happened yesterday. Sorry, ma'am, I write it today.
Yesterday was your birthday?
No, ma'am, just had a small party.
Okay.
My birthday was 6th November.
6th November. 6th November, you said? Okay. Okay, that's great. That's good. So I will not scold you today, both of you. Okay. But today is the last day to submit the paper. Okay, this is a reminder. Do it and submit it to me today itself, both of you. Okay. And Joshua, however much you're able to do, please try and do. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. So please do it and submit it to me by today itself. Okay. Now, we were doing the triangles chapter. We'll continue that. 1 second. One second. Okay. In the previous classes, we saw what are the types of triangles. Okay. We saw what are the types of triangles, their classification. Okay. Did I do like acute angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle, and right angle triangle with you? Just check in your notebook and tell me.
You didn't do the right angle triangles with us, ma'am.
All right. Okay, then I'll start from here. Okay. Classification of triangles, I told you, is done on two bases. One is on the basis of the sides, another one is on the basis of their angle. Okay. Now, second classification is on the basis of angles. Okay. And the first one here comes acute angle triangle. Can you tell me what is an acute angle? Can you tell me what is an acute angle? Come on, we did this.
Ma'am, an angle less than 90 degrees.
Very good. An angle less than 90 degree. That is correct. Now, this is a triangle in which all the three angles are less than 90 degree. A triangle in which all three angles are less than 90 degree is an acute angle triangle. Okay. Okay. It looks like this. Take a triangle. Okay. Now, all three angles less than 90 degree. So this can be 75 degree. This can be 40 degree. And 65 degree. If you see a triangle in which all angles are lesser than 90 is known as an acute angle triangle. Please write this down. Make the diagram also.
Ma'am, I'm done writing.
Done writing. Okay. What about Abraham?
Ma'am, I'm done copying.
You're copying?
No, ma'am,
You're done. Okay. You're done. Next comes obtuse angle triangle. Can you tell me what is an obtuse angle? What
the
is?
one angle of the triangle is obtuse.
Okay, that is correct. But what is an obtuse angle?
An angle which is more than one, which is more than 90 degrees.
Okay. Yes. And less than 180 degree. Now in this triangle, one angle is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. A triangle in which is known as an obtuse angle triangle. Okay. We'll do one figure, a diagram. Take a look at this diagram. If you can see that one angle is more than 90, but other two are lesser than 90. Okay, so this is an obtuse angle triangle. Done writing it, understood, okay. Write this down and then we'll do the right angle, and then after that we'll do the properties of an isosceles triangle. We'll go through it once again, okay? I explained it to you while isosceles. We'll go through it once again.
Ma'am, I finished writing and I've made the diagram, ma'am.
Okay, Joshua. Okay, third one, right angle triangle. Last one, right angle triangle. The triangle in which the measure of one angle Abraham, hope you're writing, is equal to 90 degree is known as right angle triangle. Make the diagram also.
Done, ma'am.
Done. Okay. Now, we will cover the properties of two types of triangles. Okay, isosceles triangle and right angle triangle. First is the properties of isosceles triangle. Okay, now there are two main properties of isosceles triangle. There are two main properties. First is, it says that angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. What is the meaning of this? Suppose I have an isosceles triangle. Suppose this is my isosceles triangle. Okay, in which this is my A, B, and C. This is 6 centimeter. This is also 6 centimeter. This is 3 centimeter. What is an isosceles triangle? Two sides are equal. Okay, two sides are of equal measure. Okay, Joshua, I want you to stop writing for now and listen. Okay, just look on the screen and listen. I'll give you time to write it. Okay,
Okay.
now in triangle ABC, I have AB and AC, which are both equal to 6 centimeter. Now, when this is equal to 6 centimeter, my property says that angles opposite to equal sides. What are the equal sides? AB and AC. Opposite to AB. What is the angle opposite to AB? Angle C.
AC.
What is opposite to AC? Angle B. Angle B is opposite to AC. So if my angle C is 60 degree, if angle C is 60 degree, what will be angle B? Also 60 degree. Angle B will also be 60 degree. Why? Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. This is the first property. Okay, angles equal to opposite sides are equal. If my this side and this side is equal, then the angle opposite to this side and the angle opposite to this side will also be equal. So if I have C, I can say that B is also 60 degree. Or if I know B is 60 degree, then my C will also be 60 degree. Okay, this is the first property of isosceles triangle. The second property says that the sides opposite to equal angles are equal. Okay, just opposite of this property. The sides opposite to equal angles. Opposite to equal angles are equal. Okay. Now, suppose I have a question. Okay, and my question says that I have a triangle. I have an isosceles triangle PQR. My question says that I have an isosceles triangle PQR. Okay. Now, my question says that angle Q and angle R are angle Q is 50 degree. Okay. Angle R is also 50 degree. Okay. And PQ is 5 centimeter. Okay. Find PR. Okay. This is what my question says, that I have a triangle PQR in which angle Q is 50, R is also 50, PQ is 5 centimeter. What will be PR? 5 centimeter. Also 5 centimeter. Why? Because sides opposite to equal angles are equal. These are my equal angles. What are the sides opposite to them? The opposite of Q is this PR. The opposite of R is this PQ. So when you have equal angles, the sides opposite to those equal angles are also equal in an isosceles triangle. Understood? Now tell me, did you understand both of the properties? Yeah. Now you have time to copy it. Okay. Write it down now. Make the diagrams, write it down.
Ma'am, the second diagram also, ma'am?
Yes, the second diagram also. You can
Okay,
make.
ma'am.
Okay. Do you have your geometry box today? Your
Yes, ma'am.
protractor and your scale compass?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And Abraham? No? I cannot hear your voice, Abraham, at all. Can you please say again?
Ma'am, not now, ma'am. I can try and get it.
Try to get it. Okay. Then I'll give you all a minute. After writing this, go get it. Okay. Go get it.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Hmm. Go get your geometry boxes, please.
Got it,
Vaishnav
ma'am.
got it? Okay.
Oh my
Abraham also got it?
God, ma'am, not that.
Okay. Good. Now, what I want you to do is, that draw a triangle, okay, with the given measures that I'm giving you. Okay, draw a triangle with the measures that I'm giving you. Okay, I want you to make a line. Okay, uh, 4 centimeter. Okay, this will be BC, BC, 4 centimeter. Draw a line BC, 4 centimeter. Use your scale, okay, from
Done.
0 to 4. Make a line 4 centimeter BC. Done? Done. Okay. Now I want you to make a point on the top and make AB and AC. Make AB and AC, the other two sides of this triangle, measuring how much? Measuring 7 centimeter. Okay. 1 second. These two lines should measure 7 centimeter. This is your A points, 7 centimeter and 7 centimeter. Measure with your scale and make it. AB and AC, 7 centimeter.
Ma'am, I didn't make the line for play. I'm going to do it again, ma'am.
Say again. You have to do it again. Okay, do it again. Do it again. Abraham, in this one, you don't have to use the compass. For the compass, you have next one. For this one, you have to just measure angle B and angle C using a protractor. Okay. Once you are done making the AB and AC 7 centimeter, measure angle B with a protractor and tell me what is the measure. And then measure angle C with a protractor and tell me what is the measure. Okay. Do you know how to measure with a protractor?
Yes, ma'am.
Take the protractor, its center point, place that on B, and then see that this line that is going, okay, what angle is that? Same way, put your protractor on point C and check out what angle is it making. Center of the protractor on B point and then C point. Okay, and tell me.
I'm getting them 74, 74 now.
74 and 74. Okay.
So, and the reason, ma'am, I used a compass, ma'am, is because when I'm drawing an isosceles triangle, ma'am,
Mm-hmm.
I wanted it to be equal. And if I would just randomly drawn 7 centimeters and then drawn another 7 centimeter connecting, that would have taken a lot of time to find which point will they equally connect.
Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay, Abraham. So you made angles to draw the straight lines. Okay. Yes, Joshua.
Ma'am, according to what you said, you put the center point as in
You take the protractor, put its center point at B and then its center of the protractor at C and check out what angles is it making.
okay,
Okay.
ma'am, thank you.
And now your answer, Abraham. You're getting 74, right? It's close, Abraham. Very good. The actual is the actual that it should make according to the given measures is 73.4. But even if you're getting 74 and 74, very good. It is correct. Okay. So angle B and angle C will be equal.
Ma'am, I'm getting 73 and 74, ma'am.
73 and 74. Okay. So that means that Joshua, a little bit mistake is there. Okay, because either it will be 73, 73 or 74, 74. Okay, equal. Both of them will be equal.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, that angle B is equals to angle C. Okay, angle B is equals to angle C.
Ma'am, actually, ma'am,
Mhm.
line is kind of in the middle of them too.
The line is kind of in the middle. Means,
Like it's somewhere in the middle of 73 and 74. I think so.
yes, yes, yes. It's 73.4. Okay, the angle is 73.4. it's somewhere in the middle now. It's 73.4. Okay. Like according to the measures, angle B, AB 7 centimeter, AC 7, and BC 4. The angles will be 73.4 degrees. B and C, both. Okay. But this is hence proof that write this down, verification. Okay. Hence proof that the angles opposite to equal sides, angles opposite to equal sides are equal in an isosceles triangle. Okay. In an isosceles triangle. Hello, Miraculin. Hardik sir's class starts at 10 a.m.
No, ma'am. I have computer class in 9
Computer
a.m.
classes. Computer classes. Okay, right. Your computer classes at 9. Okay. Okay. Now, the verification is here. Is this okay? If it comes in the paper that verify how the angles opposite to equal sides are equal, this is how you do it. Okay. Take BC of any measure, then take AB and AC, then take AB and AC of the same measure. Okay. Then you measure the angle that is formed at B and the angle that is formed at C. One thing that I want you to make sure is that AB and AC have to be 7 centimeter and BC have to be like 4 centimeter. Like these two side lines should be equal. Whatever centimeter you can keep 6, you can keep 8, whatever you can keep, but they should be equal in measure. Okay, then only you will get these angles equal. If your sides are equal, have the correct measure, same measure, then your angles will be the same measure. Okay, got that? Yeah. Now, uh, now one thing that I want you all to do is the test paper. Okay, I want the test papers today positively. Okay, or I'll be marking you absent from the test. Okay, so submit me today. Submit it to me today, and homework is also there. Okay, are you all doing this chapter homework that I gave you all last Friday? Yes, no.
Ma'am.
Okay, finish it. Finish it till 12.4. Okay, finish it till exercise 12.4. Now you can do 12.5 also. Okay, today we did 12.5 also. Finish it up to exercise 12.5. Okay, and send it to me.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, done writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay then, see you all tomorrow. Have a good day.